And in the last video, you saw where I had the problem with the broken upper radiator neck. And you see here the repairs that I've made, and hoping that it would hold together. And here I'm preparing to reinstall the radiator hose.
And good morning. My Jeep for Tuesday, December 14th, 2021, and it's about 10 in the morning. And I'm gonna do a little work on the Jeep while I can. We got rain forecasted this afternoon. In about the next couple hours or so, about 50% of thunderstorms moving in the area. But anyway, I've let this repair with epoxy harden now for about 3 days or so. It says a minimum of 72 hours for best results. Get this covered back a little bit here. And as you can see, I painted it, I sprayed it black so it'd blend in. And the surface is rough due to the epoxy that I put on it. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get this upper radiator hose ready. I'm probably gonna put a little bit of lubricant in there, and I've put a second clamp on it. Hopefully it'll hold the pressure better. That's what I'm worried about, it that neck, the way it is, high pressure blowing that hose off. But anyway, I'll get back with you with any progress, and I better get going before the rain steps in my Jeep out. Okay, I got my camera set up. A little bit of this RV Care rubber conditioner in here. Should help get go on this neck a little easier. Change these clamps around. One of the clamps is larger than the other. I'm going to put this big one up front. Tighten these clamps. I just want to bring this over and show you. You see right here how far up I got it, because I don't, you know, the broken area is right in here, but I did reinforce it and it goes out to about right there. So my plan is have this clamp as far up as possible, tighten down good, then I'm going to bring this second clamp up and put it behind it and tighten it down, and maybe with the two clamps and that connector in there for reinforcement and epoxied in, it'll hold up for a while. But anyway, I'll come back to you when I get this tightened down, my Jeep out. And I'm back with you. And tighten this first clamp down. I want it tight, but I think last time I over tightened it and I probably caused some of the problem that I got here, because the plastic's old and brittle. Now I'm going to bring this second clamp, I'm going to bring it right up here, and I'm going to get it tightened. This is what I'm hoping that these two clamps together hold this upper radiator hose in place under high pressure. Okay, I offset these clamps a little bit so they won't interfere with each other. Brought this one forward a little bit and was able to get it up a little bit closer.
Hey, Billy Bob!
Anyway, they're
You
tight.
sure that thing gonna work, boy?
And,
you better
I don't know if
watch
they're
out.
tight enough. I'll find out if I have a leak. But I'm gonna start the vehicle up here in a little bit and check for leaks and see how it's doing. My Jeep out. Okay, I'm back in the Jeep. I'm gonna start her up, see what it does. Get it running. Now check for leaks. Okay. Put this window down. It starts up good and fast. Yeah, let's see what we got for leaks. I don't know if any water is coming through there yet because it's still cold. I'm gonna let it run for a while, and then we'll check for leaks. I got a towel down there, and that'll make it a lot easier to see if I do get a leak. Anyway, I'm gonna let it run for a while, get it up to operating heat, engine heat, and see what it's doing. And I'll update later in my details. Seems to be running pretty smooth. I've got the air filter off of it right now. So it does make a little more noise with us, but it seems to be running pretty smooth. I'm happier with the way the engine is running since I changed that map sensor out. And as you can see, it hasn't got up the temperature yet. Fan hasn't kicked in. Probably about 190 plus, you know, somewhere in there. It's got a ways to go yet. Probably another 5, 7, 8 minutes. Out. My Jeep back, and it's been running about 8 to 10 minutes, and the hose is good and hot, so I know there's hot water going through there, and it's dry so far. I wiped everything off because I had a little residue from this that RV rubber conditioner. I made sure it's dry, and this thing dry as it can be right now, and I don't see any drops that came down on that towel. I don't think my fan's kicked in yet, so let me go look and see what the temperature is. No, it hasn't kicked in. See what the temperature is. No, it still hasn't got up the temperature yet. It'll probably be a few more minutes. It's not cold or even cool, but it's not hot. It's probably around in the low 70s right now. So it takes it a while to get up there.
See what happened? What I was afraid of? It
That
blew.
damn thing
Well, it's a
blowed
good thing I
up,
wasn't
boy.
right over it, because it did get me on the leg and the hand, and it was hot. See, the pressure got up and it just didn't hold.
Yeah, that's my Jeep. Before I close out for today, I just wanted to get a short video of this failure of my repair. I wasn't real enthusiastic about this repair work in the first place. Anyway, you see what happens. There's the piece, the connector, PVC connector. I had to push it in, and it didn't last any time. As soon as it got hot, it blew. Anyway, I've got a radiator coming. I won't get it until probably the 23rd. But tomorrow, if the weather holds out, I'm going to move my expedition out back this week, and I should be able to run the engine for a couple of minutes or so. Hopefully, I'll make sure it's safe and back it in and start pulling the radiator out and try to get it prepared for the installation. But anyway, I wanted to show you that. I'm going to go ahead and close this video out.